Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2022 Kubota SVL97-2. This machine is a 2022, sold new March 22nd of 22. It still has factory emissions warranty until 3/21 of 27. This machine has 1,191 original hours on it. It is a one-owner machine. This machine does have a factory Kubota Forestry kit on it, which is going to give you the roof protector. It's going to give you the cooling kit, and it gives you an awesome, very, very nice Kubota rear guard kit. You will see this machine, you can tell it was not used in the forestry mulching industry. Very, very clean machine. It was straight. It does have that nice kit on it. Guys, machine is cab heat air, 2-speed obviously, power quick attach. It is coming with an OEM. It is the bucket that was bought new with it. I do believe that's an 80-inch Kubota. Smooth bucket with it with the bolt-on cutting edge and side cutters. Does have the high flow or a kit over there to protect your couplings. AM/FM radio, rear view camera, LED light package. Very, very nice, very straight machine. Guys, we've done a full service on this at like 1,189 hours, I believe it was. And we did run it here a little wee bit. But we went through this machine. We feel it's a very, very good machine. It's straight, it's clean, it's not all welded and patched and busted and bent and twisted up. So we're gonna walk you around this machine, show you all about it. Landon did take a lot of photos of this machine, so we try to illustrate the truth about what a machine is. So let's start you right back here. I'll get back for a wide shot on that. You can see, guys, when I say this machine wasn't out in a forestry application much at all. Generally, a lot of these that have these, they're bent, they're twisted. The backs of the booms are scuffed. Stuff's went in and poked into the back door. We're going to go ahead and open this up for you. This forestry kit, which obviously has been on it since brand new, is very, very nice and straight. The back door opens beautifully. Up top here, you're going to see in the engine compartment, everything is there the way it's supposed to be. And that service, again, yeah, it was 1186 it was done. So very, very clean, all done and serviced and ready to go to work. That included air, fuel, engine oil, hydraulic, charge filter, hub oils, cabin filters, everything there has been done. Ice cold AC. There is a pile of money here in just the guard and the cooler kit. And you can see that is a twin fan OEM Kubota cooling kit. Guys, we did paint the track frames. They were normal, you know, scratched up. That's all we painted on the machine and the quick attach up front because it was chipped up. But very, very straight. Again, does have your guard kit here. You flip that up, you're going to have standard 1/2 inch, standard flow, 23 gallons a minute. 3/4 high flow, and on these I do believe these are right at 40 GPM. 3/8 K-strain, 14-pin attachment control device is already on it. 80-inch OEM Kubota bucket with bolt-on cutting edge in beautiful shape. Got your power quick attach. Pins and bushings in the boom are very good and tight. This does also have a polycarbonate door. You will see some scuffs and scratches on the door, being honest. There again, they do get scratched and scuffed up, but it does have the polycarbonate. You can see up on the front of the cab, all the protectors and whatnot, beautiful shape. Grab handles on the cab are not bent or twisted. Generally, machines like this have been really abused. Theirs are smashed in. So, these doors are a little heavier than the glass door, obviously, as far as putting up and down. But if you're looking to do some mowing and whatnot, you have it. You're going to see, I'm going to go ahead and release the brake, 1,191 hours. We have no error codes. Guys, yes, it is a 2-speed. Yes, this machine is a high flow skid loader. We will go up here. Obviously, you see the other ports. We have Aux 2, which is going to be our high flow side. Going to have the Voyager factory mounted backup camera, horn. Over here for your 14-pin. AM/FM radio. Down here is going to be your AC. Power quick attach. Again, all new filters in it. That is all done and taken care of. Up here is your wash for your fan. Cup holder. So, again guys, very good running working machine. There is no oil leaks on it. It is a very good solid skid steer. If you're looking for a nice machine, this is a very nice machine to look at. Guys, let's face it, today with the cooler kit package, at last I knew they were around $14,000 for that kit. On top of the price, you're 90 grand for one of these plus that stuff. So there's a heck of a deal on a big machine. It's a 3,200 pound lift machine. I've had very good success with the Kubotas. I really like them. We've owned a lot of them. I think they're a great machine. What I like about them is they're simple, easy to work on, very reliable. Guys, we're going to fire this up. We're going to run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. We're going to shut this door, and here's a big thing I love about these Kubotas is right there. We can open and close that door. Very, very nice. I did not paint the bucket on this, and I wanted to let it original because it shows what the machine's done. And you can see there, bucket's in very, very, very nice shape. And that is the bucket that was sold new with the machine. I can see good out of it. I like 97 as their reach. I like the style of overhead door. Guys, I think these are a really, really good running working machine. Again, I've owned a bunch of them. We think the world of these machines. I feel they're a really good loader. They're just built very big, very tough. Everything on them is oversized. And it's nice to have a loader that you can go out and actually use and not have to worry about, is this going to fit my application? Is this going to work with my job? That kind of thing. Like I said, I have seen these things where they just push and push and push. Very, very good on the lifting and pushing power. And you do have the tried, true, and tested Kubota motor. The Kubota engine's a great motor. That is in a lot of different equipment out there. It has been for many, many, many years. We're going to go ahead here, guys, and we're going to show you here One nice thing Kubota does do, they have a true hydraulic power quick attach, which I like. It does a very, very nice job. You can also see Kubota has a standard thing, auto level. I like that when I'm loading trucks. One nice thing is Kubota has that plugged right into their system. So basically, whenever I am loading that bucket, as soon as I pull back, it's automatically doing it, which I really like. Now, if I want to override that, I can override it myself. Still does have an overhead mirror in there. But again, if you're looking for a nice, tight, clean machine, here's a machine to take a look at, guys. Very good running, working machine. Good cold AC. Again, all the vents are in the cab. Everything is complete. Very, very good running machine. I can't stress that enough. If you're looking for a machine where you can go to work today, here is a machine to take a look at. And basically, guys, let's face it. Very clean, big skid steer. I actually had my one pin come out here in my latch. Get that done. You can latch that door up in place, which is nice. But remember, that is the polycarbonate door. That is a very heavy door. If you're going to do special applications, it's in there. That's why it was placed in there when that machine was set up from new. But there again, guys, very good running, working machine. Keep in mind, this does have the Kubota factory cooler kit. It does have the rear door guard on it, so it is a high flow. It is a very good, clean machine. This isn't some piece of junk. Tracks on this machine is something I forgot to talk about. Tracks on this machine are probably right around 70%. They both are matched. They are both zigzag patterns. There are a couple little cuts in them here and there, typical of a used track, but there's a lot of life in those yet. So that's why we left them there. I feel that they're still in very, very good condition for somebody. Guys, you got any questions? 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.